Last class we have studied about root system and shoot system. Okay. Root system means it is underground part of the main axis that is present below the soil. Okay. Then shoot system. Shoot system means the aerial part of the plant that is present above the soil. Then what are the two types of root system we have studied? One is tape root system and another one is fibrous root system. Okay. Then now we will study about structure of a leaf. Okay. Structure of a leaf. See, this is leaf. Leaf is a green, flat, expanded structure formed on the stem at a node. Okay. This is called a node. This place is called a node. This is one node. This is another one node. The portion between these two nodes are called internodes. This portion is called internode. Okay. Then see, the leaf has a stalk called petiole. So this place is called petiole. This portion. Okay. Petiole. Then the flat portion of the leaf is called leaf blade or leaf lamina. Then see, in the leaf, main vein is present, that is called midrib. This main vein is called midrib. Okay. Then some smaller veins all arise from this main vein. Okay. These are all smaller veins. Did you understand? Then see, the portion of the leaf connected in the nodal region of the stem is called leaf base. See, leaf base means the portion of the leaf connected in the nodal region of the stem is called leaf base. Okay. Then see here, some plant, both the side of the axillary bud, lateral growth is present. See, this is called axillary bud. Okay. This both side of this axillary bud, lateral outgrowth is present. That is called stipule. Okay. See, you know what is axillary bud? Axillary bud means buds at the axil of the leaves are called axillary bud. Okay. This is stem. This is petiole. Okay. Between these two is called axil. Okay. Okay. Then see here, this is called leaf margin. This place is called leaf margin. Leaf margin means edge of the leaf. Okay. So we have studied midrib, margin, leaf blade or leaf lamina, petiole and stipule. Okay. Then see, why this leaf is green in color? Because one pigment is present. That is called chlorophyll. Pigment name is chlorophyll. This is a green color pigment. Okay. Pigment means that is a coloring material. Okay. Then see, on the lower side of the leaf, tiny pores are present. That is called stomata. Did you understand? Next, we will see about functions of fruit. First function, to fix. That means fixes the plant to the soil. Without root, shoot system can't stand. Okay. Then to absorb. That means absorb water and minerals from the soil. Okay. Then next one is to store food materials. See, some plants like carrot, beetroot, it is store food materials in it. Okay. Okay. Then see, functions of shoot system. See, first one is support. That means supports the branches, leaves, flowers, fruits. Okay. This gives strength to the plant. Okay. That means that is shoot system. Okay. Next is transport. Transport means transports mean move from one place to another. Okay. So it transports water and minerals from the root to the upper aerial parts. Okay. Root absorbing water and minerals from the soil. You know that. Minerals mean what? Minerals mean a solid that is naturally occurring in soil substances. Okay. Did you understand? Okay. That after it prepare food. That means the prepared food from the leaves to other parts through stem. It transport, they get food from leaves to other parts of the plant. Okay. Okay. Then also in shoot system, some plants like sugarcane, it store food materials in it. Okay. Then we will see about functions of leaf. See, first function is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means they are preparing their own food materials. Okay. Prepare food by the process of photosynthesis. Okay. Next is respiration. Respiration means this leaf helps in respiration. That means they are taking oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. Next is transpiration. Transpiration, these leaves carry out transpiration. We have studied stomata. Through this stomata, water will evaporate. That process is called transpiration. Did you understand the functions of root, shoot and leaf? Okay.